Yo, this is Rich Yo-Yo, and I'm gonna look at a keyboard that I just barely got. It's a KW98 RGB. Here's the box. I purchased it on Amazon. It was around $20, the mouse and keyboard. And so, here's the box. Let's take a look at it. Like and subscribe if you guys can, and then there'll be a link in the description below. If you guys could use the link, it would help me a lot. Keyboard has 7 RGB backlit effects and 13 adjustable brightness levels. That's cool. The other one doesn't have this. But we'll take a look at it. Sorry about that. Colorful breathing light effects for a mouse, paired with 4 speeds, DPI, default 1800. Keyboard is paired with adjustable tripod to improve hand comfort. What does that even mean? Tripod? What's a tripod? That's so confusing. We'll take a look at it. Compatible with Linux, Windows, etc. Manufactured by... Yep. Email, made in China. The bottom is a side. Here's the bottom, and then let's take a look at it. The inside, here's the mouse. Get that out. Comes with the bag. Comes with that. This out. No, it's sort of thick. This box. Instruction manual. Wow, that's big. Here's a mouse. Instruction manuals. And voila. Let's have a look at that. And that is a little crazy. Okay, this is a totally different keyboard that actually. Dear value customer. Okay. Instructions. How to use it. Android system. Windows. System brightness. For Android. Windows. Mac. iOS. Apple? I thought Mac is iOS. I don't know what that means. Okay. At least it works for all 4 OSs. There's instructions. You guys look at it. Product. Scrolls. Caps. LEDs. Etc. FAQs. Etc. Okay, let's look at the mouse. Here's the mouse. Click, number settings, scroll, there's rubbery right there, and plastic right there, there's a clickiness, and then this is nothing, looks like a screw, looks like nothing, and a screw, here's the bottom, oh wow, is that, it's like fake plastic metal, I don't know what that is, there's a voltage, wired X7. Side buttons. Oh, look at that. There's side buttons. Is there side buttons on the side? Nope. So side buttons right there. Oh, that pushes really in. And there's a middle button for maybe that. Ooh, this is. And the cable is to the side. There's that one. And then the keyboard. Cable is. Wrapped. Wow, this thing's thick. That is crazy. Here's the keyboard. Nice volume, hopefully. Button, clicky. Plays part. Windows is weird. Windows key. And then keep 98% keyboard. What does that even mean? Oh, okay. Like Windows 98 or something? There's the side. That is weird. Look, there's a... Oh, wow! There's 3! That's what it means. So like that. Here's the bottom. Rubber pads. Siding. 1. Or 0. 1. That much higher. Or medium. There's a medium. Look at that. That's crazy. There's a medium. Never thought about that. And a medium. And 0. Okay, let's plug it in and see how it works. Turn on monitor. So yes, you guys think about getting this keyboard? It looks okay-ish. I don't know if this one's better than the last one. Last one's pretty nice. This one's a little thicker. It says it has more better RGB. The last one doesn't have that much RGB, but we'll figure that out. Let's see what we got. Mouse, keyboard, USB, mouse in, keyboard in, and there it is. Let's see. Notepad right here. There's a mouse. DPI. Super fast. Super fast. Super slow. How do you what does that do? And then there's this, back forward. So let's see. Yep, that's what this do. Back forward, unlike tabs right there. And then here's the keyboard. Let's see. Okay, hello. How are you doing? And then, oh, that's a, oh, cool. That counts as a muter. And then volume. Push play. Instant. Okay, let's try and change the light setting. Different light. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. There's the keyboard. You guys see that? Let's play with it. Okay, let's see. FN. Light. RGB. Let's shut off the lights. These lights. RGB here's almost dark. FN. Ooh, whoa, that's pretty nice. I don't know what kind of keycaps those are. Delete looks like they cut out a hole, move this section down here, and moved it over. So it's a little smaller. IE doesn't work. Oh, you have to. Nope. Oh, no, FN. FN does pull up windows, it looks like. Okay. Alt F4, close that. Windows play. No, FN play. Doesn't pull up anything. Email, and it pulls up email. Okay. Let's close out some stuff. Let's see. Or shuts off. Yes. FN lock. Doesn't lock mine because. And then, oh, look at that. Calculator, that would help. And then FN home. Whoa. What does that do? Oh, is that like just the RGB? That is nice. Look at that. And then let's. Do not know what that does. Speeds it up, slows it down. Oh, this is brightness. Got it. Here's the one of the lightest, lowest brightness. And then yeah, that is crazy. Let's see if you guys can see it. Since you'll be like looking at it like that because you're not actually looking on top of it when you're typing. There's just one color strobe. Whoa, that's pretty nice. Let's brighten it up. Too dark. Look at that. And this one looks like it just breathes. I'm not sure. I have to look at the menu instructions on that. Let's see. Would I get this? Yes. Right now, I would get this. About gaming, I'm not sure yet. Regarding gaming, yeah, I think I would get this over the other one. Whoa, look at that. Different colors. Red. Oh, just different. Oh, okay, so this one would be like change the color of it. And this one is just change the style. Blue, yellow. There's different colors. Yeah, this one is crazy. This is a pretty nice blinking, different colors. Okay, RGB, back to RGB. So this would just reset it. So yeah, there it is. Like and subscribe. This is a pretty nice keyboard and mouse. Yeah, I think I would get this again. It's pretty nice. But I don't like that it's so thick, but it's already built in. Oh, whoa, there's RGB in there too. I didn't see that. Ooh, nice. There's RGB on the sides. I thought it was just like flowing through that. Oh wow, is there anything in the back? No. What is this for? I don't get that. It's like, okay, yeah, that's it. It'd be nice if you like just have a holder for your phone. That is it for $20. Yeah, I would get this again. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Like and subscribe. See you guys.